Wow. A different person.
I'm still one of them.
Mama Art.
This is not bread aisle. This is not the bread aisle. This is not the bread aisle. What is that?
It's not the bread oil.
I buy like 3 soap the other day.
One left for country.
Oh yeah.
One left for them bro.
Imagine spend one day a country because of. Anyways, it's a one bread and she take up soap. This is why she gonna take up. I'm watching you.
Why are you watching me? Get away from here.
Nope.
I can't stand you.
So what's up, guys? Welcome back to Chase another vlog. Supermarket. So only a quick night out. Let's see if I the night vlogging. Sure. What else? Follow the leader, follow the leader.
Following the leader. Where's the leader going? So why you walking like that, man? Yeah, the right eye low. One bread. No. White brown.
Black bread.
Alright. Can get.
I'm going to buy something else.
Oh yeah, chicken back. It can be FC back. You have enough snack already? What do you do today? What do you eat today? Can the woman? What do you do? Skip, cut. Really one.
On that side there.
One.
Yeah, get them on a pants.
That is a snack.
No.
So mean.
You look like dirty boy.
So we buy Kentucky Fried Chicken and she left the money at yard. Hey, you know, Christmas tree. Yeah.
Toss me my keys. Send my keys.
I thought you said Christmas tree.
Why the f would I say Christmas tree?
Christmas shopping after Christmas done all that. Well, I take the charity. See?
Hold on then, you're not living on the house.
That's you did that one. Where you going? Them should have that kind of bag. You can't take it out when you so much people. Much people there in the place right now. Awkward and walk. They don't. Oh, this is Boulevard by the way, Washington Boulevard. A plaza here. You know white name? Yeah, over here with it. And you know the KFC full of people right now. So I know that I got red out. So I can find. What kind of drive where I drive through? I walk through KFC. The line can't stay as the line. I said let's start from winter, so watch it. Go along the line, it's the KFC drive through. I'll bite man, I pull up. Shit. Watch there. I'm gonna drive that line there. But I'm really good. Island good it is then. But Island Grill is supposed to fall to man. I'm back on a bicycle. I know we all plan for Island Grills. And people still are coming up. Yeah. I'm frightened for picture, take picture of KFC selfie. What is she gonna man? Which one? She want a bag? Blue one. You have the same exact bag with the same something. That one, the blue one there, that though.
Yeah.
So you can have, but it's smaller. It's smaller. That one smaller than you. See my boy, I see face. Oh God! I always laugh after them when I see them in the boat. I'm laughing that one day. They say them bleach and don't have on a cream, you know. But him have on cream.
There's money over there. I don't know. When I was showing them, fried chicken, you know, KFC, you know what she had. It's all right. Sure. Opportunity here to promote a music video. Not a music video, a dance video I shoot from Virgin. I'm 80 today. Let's take a preview of it and go check it out for them channel in name King Skipper. Check out him channel and check out the music video. See sneak peek. Yeah, he killed it, you don't know. So check out him thing and subscribe to him channel. And subscribe to my channel. I'm in the process of growing, blow up, mash up Jamaica. You know what I say? So just 8 me reach and more reach a people. Mad man. What you buy us? You buy us?
No, that's how you don't tell me nothing what you want. So I'm not going to buy you and you never tell me what you want.
No, man, look at the money.
You didn't give me money?
No.
Oh, if you didn't give me money then you can't
So
talk
good
to
it
me.
blur out it now go show. See it there, it blur right there. Let's see. Chicken in the bag. Oh, food. You not cook a food? Food never cook for you.
Food in our fridge, rice and peas in our fridge,
So why you not bother buy food?
oxtail in our fridge,
So why you bother buy?
chicken in there, macaroni salad in there, ham in
Why you
there.
bother buy food in a food?
Alright, me have to eat all this stuff to bother me for, man.
Who is that? Oh. Which one somebody from bother me so? Come on man, let's not do that. If people not a friend, we expect them to do.
That told me I've been too friendly.
But me not your friend. I mean I have a bag of friend. Stay by myself.
Oh.
Okay?
You see me have a bag of friend?
Yeah.
Who?
More than me.
Who
I
me
had nurse friend them. We can't even count them. Wow. A different person.
I'm staying with a family.
Mama act. Even though KFC landed lag, I'd rather wait for a KFC because food that tastes better. Smell good though. Hungry attack. Oh my gosh. Yeah. People say Jamaica is a prison. You know why? Because the island is grilled. Yeah, I know lame joke. Island girls. Ready?
You, mom.
You God, reach a God. Passy, what we do and buy it? I'll check that fast. The blue bag, I'll check. Get to see them. Ow, ow. You ever find the good stuff them from video? Why you ever find them? You always see them. I'm not looking up. You never see that here. You always see everything. Like how the steak brother. Say why you a musician, yo. That's it. We ever take a taxi about buy? Oh yes, or you buy something backwards.
I'm going to put it on my head and carry it over.
See that crossing the road? I don't know how we on the road, you know. Yeah, that's it guys. So, subscribe for more. Help me grow. Remember people, comment anything you think, comment what you want to see me do. You see me? That's the vlog for today. Just a short thing, just a outing to my mother.
happy anniversary to mother member that give here.
What is?
Yeah, happy anniversary. Peace out. Love you, mom. Mwah.